Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Do you want to know how to watch YouTube on your Xbox One? This is very easy to get, so let's go ahead and jump into this Xbox tutorial right now. So I'm on the home screen of the Xbox One. To get the YouTube application, it's very easy. Go ahead and press the Xbox button on your controller, and it's going to open up this side menu. Now, scroll down and go to Store. Select A on this. It's going to bring up the store. Then go down to Search. And from here, we will have to type in YouTube. Now, there's a couple different applications. But let's go ahead and get the official YouTube application. And it'll look like this. I already have installed. But as you can see, there's a bunch of different YouTube applications. YouTube 5.0, YouTube TV, WeTube, Player for YouTube HD. Let's just go ahead and install the actual YouTube application right here. So far it has 996 stars to it. And if you don't know if it's an official application, look under the YouTube section, it will say Google Inc. So I have it on my Xbox One. Let's go ahead and launch it. And that's how easy it is to get YouTube on your Xbox One. Just go to the Microsoft Store and search for YouTube, and you'll be on your way to watching videos. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.